Welcome to part 4 of the pVACview demonstration. In this video, we will use pVACview to further explore our data. Moving down the page, depending on which transcript set you select, you can then look at the individual peptides generated from that transcript set. The peptide table contains the amino acid sequence, as well as the median predicted binding for the different HLA alleles, if the mutant peptide binding was under 1000 nanomolar. By clicking on each peptide pair, the plots below will change reactively. We have 4 different tabs containing additional information on the peptide level. There are 2 score plots, the IC50 and percentile, both showing the distribution of individual algorithm prediction scores for the mutant type and wild type peptide pairs. This can help give the user an idea of how the algorithms agree or disagree on the predictions. The value used in these plots are also shown in the binding data table in the 3rd tab. Finally, the Elution scores and the immunogenicity data are shown in the 4th tab. The citations for the prediction algorithms used are listed below. The 2nd tab showcases the peptide sequences with a heat map overlay. This heat map shows the probabilities of each position acting as an anchor location with the mutation marked in red. For users needing guidance on how to use this anchor information, we also have a cartoon scenario guide on the right. To view more detailed information on the anchor weights, you can expand the anchor weights table. We can see that position 2 is the anchor position for this candidate. Finally, the 3rd tab showcases the specific transcripts in each set, with the individual expression values, transcript support levels, biotype, and transcript length. The transcript corresponding to the best peptide is highlighted in green. For a summary of this information, please see the Tutorials tab. For further documentation, please refer to the pVAC Tools GitHub page and the Read the Docs website.